Hi everyone, here is Ullah from the mini mathematician. Welcome to you all in this channel. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss about different topics. These are the following four topics that we are going to cover in this lecture. This is first we will discuss about the addition, different method to add to different or two or more numbers, subtraction, multiplication and the division. First of all, we start with the addition. For example, I will write over here addition. So for example, I write three numbers 2, 3 and 5. I want to add all these numbers. What you will need to do now we have entered in the mathematical portion of the Excel, and we have to do everything related to mathematics. So please keep it in your mind that whenever you want to write any equation in the Excel, you first of all you need to write this equality sign. Okay, first write the equality, then write anything. So if you want to add these three numbers. So for example, you need sum of these numbers. Just first of all enter equality sign, and then click on the first number and then write the plus key. So how will you write? Enter this number, shift plus the second number, shift plus the third number, and hit the enter key. Then these numbers are added. So where you will find this plus sign, you will have on your keyboard. It's located on the with the backspace button, this sign. So if you will click on the shift and the equality sign, then it will automatically write the plus sign. Okay, so this is how you will do the summation. There is another method. If I remove this one, backspace, enter. So if I want to add these three numbers, so how I will do? I will just use equal sign, summation, sum, this one sum, and shift this bracket first number, and I will select all these numbers and close the brackets, hit enter. These numbers are added. So total is the sum of these numbers is 10. Okay, and we have a third method to add all these numbers. Remove this one. This is how you will do. Just click on the cell where you need the summation of all these numbers. I click here, and now here on the top right corner you will find the auto sum option. Just click on it. It will automatically select all the numbers above it and hit the enter key. These numbers are added. Okay, so this portion for the summation or addition has completed. Now we are going to start with the subtraction part. Subtraction, for example, I select these numbers. If I want to bring these numbers in this column without replacing or removing these numbers, I will simply select these numbers, and here when you will click on this top box, bottom box, sorry, this box, and you will see a plus sign with black color. Click this one and drag this sign over here, and this all number will move over here without removing these numbers in these cells. Okay, so I want to subtract all these number. The same formula is for the subtraction, but the only sign will be different. Hit the equal sign, select the number, minus sign, select another number, minus sign, and select another number, minus sign, and hit enter, and you will find the subtraction of these numbers. Okay, so here is sum, here is subtraction, and here I will write the results. results. So I will repeat one thing that I have already discussed in my previous lectures. I want to show or present my results in different forms. So how I will do, I will just fill these cells with the colors, this one. So it seems that we have only one cell, but I want to represent in different forms, like this is different cell and this is different one. So what I will do, I will just select all these cells and make a table, this one. So also now I am repeating some commands so that you can memorize it, or you can see it. So I want to bring all these numbers in the center, so I will simply select all these numbers. You can also do by clicking all the numbers one by one, but I want to select all numbers and just select this one. See, these numbers are now are in the center. So I want to change the size of the main headings. So simply I will bold it or increase their size to 13. Okay, so here's the multiplication and here is the division. So in this multiplication portion, if I want to multiply all these numbers, how I will do, I will just I will use the same formula like this one, equal. So I'm sorry, first I have to bring all these numbers over here. This one, hit the equal sign, and first number shift 8, the second number shift 8, and the third number. So hit the enter key and you will find the results of these numbers which are multiplied each other, and the result is a 30. So now at this point I want the division of these numbers. So mostly we divide two numbers, but here I will so here again I will do the division of these two numbers. So how I will do, I will use the same formula, equal sign, first number, and this bar, sorry, this bar, I will select this one and the another number and hit the enter, and here is the result of my numbers. Okay, so this is how I will I will find my results. There is any simple formula, there is another formula for all these. For example, you have applied this formula for the summation over here, and you have dragged all these numbers over here. So if I want to I will drag these things over here, then answer will be 10, of course, because of my formula is summation. But I want to change this formula in the form of some subtraction and a multiplication. So how I will do, I will simply first drag this one over here. I told you that my answer will be same, but I will just simply change this formula in this form. Hit enter, and the same is here. This one, shift 8, number multiply shift 8, and I will have the same results. Okay, so in this way you will do the subtraction, multiplication and summation and the division in the Excel sheet.